Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn image into video with Vheer AI. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to go to any web browser and then type Vheer. Then you need to create an account. You need to sign up or log in if you have an account already. For me, I don't have an account yet, so I need to sign up using my Google account. Either ways, you have other choices right here, but for me the easiest is Google account. Now you have options above, so you can choose this one, or you need to choose this one in order for you to convert image to video. But if you don't have an image yet, then you can tap this text to image, click this one, and then if you don't know how to create prompt, then you can ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for you. So this time I asked ChatGPT to create text to image prompt, copy this one, go to here, paste, tap on generate, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Then you should see the result in a few minutes. So this is what it looks like. Now you can save this image and then tap this image to video. Now go to ChatGPT and ask a prompt again. But before that, import the image first. Go to ChatGPT, ask a prompt, copy, go back to Vheer, paste the prompt right here, scroll down, tap on generate. Then you have to wait for a couple of minutes. And then once done, and then you should see the result right away. If you don't like the result, then you can ask ChatGPT again for another prompt, and all you need to do is to copy and then paste it right here. Then if you are satisfied with the video or the result, you can now download this by tapping this three dots below to download this video. Download and then open that folder. And that's how easy it is to turn image into video with Vheer. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.